Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let us continue with the discussion of gold versus US dollar from where we left off previously. So when we were having a discussion on 11th of June, the market was trending over here, and we clearly mentioned that market might test this area of short-term resistance or this area major support, and market respected our area of short-term resistance beautifully and reacted toward from this area and went down. We were willing. We were sellers in this gold market, and you guys can clearly see that I marked two short-term resistance and a major resistance, and that clearly showed that our sentiment was a seller sentiment, and we marked this area for you guys clearly. Now let us take all the trades in front of you guys so you guys can understand that how much profit or loss you guys would have made following our key for entries method. Okay, so entry number one, this entry if you guys would have taken, maybe you guys would have hit a stop loss over here, but in this second entry if you guys would have taken an entry, your stop loss would be just below this previous candle and you guys would have made a profit of approximately 5.2%. Then afterwards, the market did not give us any further buying opportunity, but from here, market gave us a selling opportunity. So market gave us this selling opportunity. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.8% profit. And then market gave us another selling opportunity after testing our short-term support. So we would have taken a selling position over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 5.08% profit. And then afterwards market tested our area of major support, gave us a closing above our area of support, so we could have taken a buying position over here. So if we take a buying position like this, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.5% profit. And then afterwards market almost tested our area of support and made a bullish pin bar signal, gave us a bullish pin bar signal. So this was a bullish signal as well, so we could have taken a long position from here as well. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.9% profit so far. Okay, so overall wonderful scenarios were executed and the market has behaved in a very amazing manner, just as we have expected. Now as the market's sentiment is negative right now and market has also tested our area of our 50% retracement area, and now I think that market might go down from here as market is currently in a selling scenario. But before going further down, I think that market might test this zone and then market will take a downturn for good, maybe, but that is just a scenario that I am thinking. There is also a good chance that market just straight away break below this area of support. Okay, so just be vigilant for both entries. We only have to take entries according to our key for entries method, and we only have to stay objective in our entries. We do not take entries on the basis of our sentiment. So we just take practical entries if they are suitable for us and market is behaving in the similar pattern as well. Okay, so that's all for the gold pair. Let me move forward the scenarios as market is still trending in between our marked area of major support and resistance. So just follow this key for entries method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair, and let us see that how did market behave in this pair. Okay, so as you guys can clearly see that what did market do over here. When we were discussing, market was trending over here. Market almost tested our area of support over here and gave us a position of selling position. So we could take a short position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit could be over here, giving us a 0.9% profit. and then market gave us an opportunity of buying over here. If we would have taken a buying entry over here, we would have hit a stop loss in the next candle, but once again market gave us a buying opportunity over here. So if we would have taken a buying entry over here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 11.1% profit, which is amazing profit given the market scenarios. Then market gave us another opportunity of buying when market tested our area of major resistance and gave us a green candle. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could have been over here, giving us a 0.5% profit. Okay, then market again tested our area of resistance and closed below our marked area of resistance. So from here we could take a short position like this. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.2% profit so far. Then market gave us another selling opportunity after the closing of this candle, so we could have taken an entry over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 2.9% profit so far. And then market gave us another opportunity over here, but this was not really an opportunity, but maybe we could have taken an entry over here as well, but this was a confirm entry. So even if we can consider that this trade was either a break even or a stop loss, let me take this trade straight away for you guys. So this would be our entry, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.9% profit. Then market has given us another opportunity of selling over here. So if we take an entry like this, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be 0.7% till now. And right now market is still behaving in the sideways momentum with a bullish sentiment. So I think that market might just test this area and go up once again, or if market really needs to go up and beyond, then there is a good chance that market might test this area and then go up like this. Okay, so just be vigilant for both these scenarios, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Now let me move forward these scenarios for the 13th of June. The area of resistance and support are going to remain same, and let me just simply move forward these scenarios for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP versus USD pair, and you guys do not have any trouble, and you guys can continue to make some good profit in this British pound versus US dollar pair. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the euro versus US dollar, and let us see that how much profit or loss we would have made in this pair. So when we were discussing on the 11th of June, market was trending over here. So market tested our area of support and gave us a selling opportunity. So let us see that from here, if we would have taken a selling, then this would be our stop loss, and our take profit level will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.5% profit. Then market again gave us an opportunity to sell over here. So let me take this entry over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 0.9% profit. And then market did not really give us any opportunity to buy because this was a huge candle and out of the line, so we would have preferred to stay out of the market. And then market tested our area of major resistance and then closed below. Then maybe we could have taken a short position from here. If we take a short position from here, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 0.7% profit so far. And if we would have taken a short position over here, and over here then we could have made some good profits. Let me take these entries over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.3% profit. Then market gave us another opportunity to sell from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 0.4% profit. Then market did not give us any further opportunity until over here and over here. Okay, so these two were the last opportunities. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 1.7% profit. And then over here our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.1% profit. Okay, so overall good scenarios were executed in this euro versus USD pair, and our bullish sentiment worked out as we had expected. So now still the market is testing our area of support. So I think that market might go down a little bit more. Market might go something like this before giving us a push high. Okay, so now let me just move forward these scenarios for the 13th of June. As you guys can clearly see that market area of resistance and support are same, as market is reacting towards from our short term marked area of support. So let me just simply move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily just take trades to the according to the key for entries method that is mentioned in the chart as well. Okay, so just simply follow this method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. And that's all for today. If you guys have still not hit the like and subscribe button, then please do. I will really recommend you guys to just follow the simplest possible strategy and make some good profits. I'm taking trades in right in front of you guys. Just follow your risk management rules. Never take more than 1% or the maximum of 2% of your total equity in any of the trades, and just do safe trading. Always practice safe trading. And that's all for today. Just hit the like and subscribe button, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from us. Thank you.